What's up guys, Dave here from the Gadget Book. Now iOS 16 brings a whole bunch of new features. Today we're going to go through some tips and tricks for iOS 16. So the first trick we're going to show you is how to remove any background from an image. Jump straight into your photos album and select any image you would like. Tap and hold the object and you will see an animation circle around the image. Go ahead and open your Notes application and paste the image there. You will see that it's being cut out and you can go ahead and save the image by clicking the share option and then save image. It's a very handy trick if you're into photo editing on the iPhone. Users can now collaborate and manage shared content across Files, Keynote, Pages, Safari and much more. So just launch the Files application and click the share button for the file you wish to allow users to collaborate on. You will see a new option, so just go ahead and tap it and select collaborate from the menu, and now you can choose who you wish to share the file to. It's really handy, and if you guys work in a team, I think you're really going to like this feature. So another cool little trick is that you can convert images straight from your Files application. Tap and hold on the image you wish to convert. You will be presented with a new menu, select quick actions and convert image. You will be able to choose from a few file formats and also image sizes. To be honest, the Files application is packed with hidden features. You can also get info of any file if you would like by tap and holding and selecting get info. You will be presented with all the information of that file. So iOS 16 brings haptic feedback to your keyboard. All you have to do to enable this is jump into your settings application, click sound and haptics, scroll down to keyboard feedback, and then you will see a new option where you can enable the haptic feedback. We've also got some new privacy controls in your control center, so if you go over to your control center you will be able to see what's being used. So for example, my wallpaper is currently using the location, so it's actually showing me my location is being used at this current time. Focus modes were introduced in iOS 15 last year and now have been expanded and refined in iOS 16 to work with your lock screens. So to set this up, all you have to do is jump into your settings panel and click focus. Once you've selected the focus mode you want to add a lock screen to, you can go ahead and choose your lock screen from the custom screens option. You will be able to choose your desired focus mode straight from the lock screen and change which apps show notifications, the look of the UI and much more. So we've also got focus filters in iOS 16 that extend to Safari, Mail and much more. Focus filters allows users to set boundaries within apps like Calendar, Mail, Messages and Safari to display only relevant content, such as a particular tab group in Safari, a set of calendars in the Calendar app, or an email account in Mail. So Quick Note has made its way to iOS. Jump over into the control center options in your settings panel and just move the Quick Note toggle straight to the top, and you will now be able to create a Quick Note straight from your control center. Voice dictation has got a huge upgrade, so we're going to show you how to enable it. Jump into your settings panel and click general, scroll down to keyboard, and you will see a toggle here where you can enable and disable voice dictation. It's got a huge upgrade. A new feature allows someone to start entering text with their voice, then manually start typing a word that the iPhone will understand, and then be able to finish the sentence with their voice again. Now I really think you're going to like this next one. Go over to your settings application, jump into your network settings, tap and hold on the password. You will be authenticated with Face ID and then the system will reveal the password for that network. It's a real cool trick which will come in handy. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. So another cool little iOS 16 trick is that you can edit messages after you've sent them. So if you've sent something wrong by accident, you can go ahead and tap on the message and you will be presented with the edit option. Just go ahead and edit the message how you wish to and then go ahead and click send. It will update the user on the other side. You can also delete messages after you've sent them. Just go ahead and tap on the message and click undo send and then it will disappear. So you will be able to edit or recall a message for up to 15 minutes after sending it. So just keep that in mind. Another new feature in the Messages application is that you can mark a message as unread. I've been waiting for this feature for a long time and it's finally here. All you have to do is swipe to the right on a message and you will be able to mark it as unread. So in iOS 16 the Spotlight search has changed. It's now at the bottom of the screen. Jump into your settings application and scroll down to home screen. You can see an option here where you can enable and disable the search for the bottom of the home screen. And now you will be able to use Spotlight search as before, just swiping down from your home screen. So that's about it for this video guys. If you've got some iOS 16 tips and tricks that you want to share with me, hit me up in the comment section down below. If you want to see some more iOS 16 content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the like button, and as always we'll catch you all in the next video.